In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag a person on LinkedIn. Let's dive right into it and get started. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. It's usually easiest to begin by navigating straight to the homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. LinkedIn offers a few options for signing in. You can quickly log in using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can use your email address and password. Just enter your credentials and hit the login button. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Now, a quick note for those of you who have enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. This is typically done by sending a code to your registered phone number, so be sure to have your phone handy. Enter the code and you're good to go. With that done, you're now on the LinkedIn homepage. If you want to start a new post where you can tag someone, click on the Start a Post area. On the flip side, if you're planning to tag someone in a comment on an existing post, locate the comment section of that particular post and click Comment. Once you're in the text field, go ahead and start typing your content as you normally would, whether it's a post or a comment. When you're ready to tag someone, you'll want to use the @ symbol. Start by typing this symbol right where you want the tag to appear in your text. Immediately following the @ symbol, begin typing the name of the person you wish to tag. This is where LinkedIn works its magic. As you type, you'll notice a drop-down list appearing with names that match what you're typing. This list helps you quickly find and select the right person to tag. When you see their name pop up in the list, simply click on it. This action tags the person, and you'll notice their name appearing in bold in your text. It's a clear indicator that the tag has been successfully inserted. Finally, once you've composed your message and are satisfied with its look, it's time to publish. If you were creating a post, simply click that post button. And if you were commenting, hit enter or click the send icon depending on your device. And there you have it, you've successfully tagged someone on LinkedIn. These simple steps take just a few minutes and can significantly enhance your LinkedIn interaction. By tagging, you make your posts and comments more engaging and relevant to the people involved. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of your LinkedIn experience.